What's up guys, it's your girl Hannah back with another video. I'm going to give you guys some real deal tips on how to flatter your natural features with makeup and kind of how to go about it, you know, as a beginner, and just the best tips I can give, you know, when it comes to eyeliner and eyebrows. And I will also be going over which eyeshadow colors to wear for your eye color and skin tone. So this is going to be my perfect date night look. But before we get started, I do want to mention that this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa Jewelry. And Ana Luisa is an amazing online jewelry store, and they're actually so impressive to me because they have managed to recycle all of their gold. So a little fun fact here, it actually takes 20 tons of gold mining to produce one little ring of gold. So they're really doing their part as a business and showing people how the jewelry industry can really be detrimental to the environment by providing their solution with recycled gold, and I honestly think it's beautiful. I absolutely love these little tiny hoops that I got, and I have these necklaces on as well. I absolutely love this. This is very in right now. And then I have this, a little gold star. So I'm super happy to be promoting a brand that I really align with. Right now they are actually holding a Valentine's Day sale for 15% off their entire site, so just hit the link down below for that. And then I am currently hosting a big huge giveaway for Ana Luisa on my Instagram, so go ahead to my Instagram and enter to win. You might want to wait to do that till after the video because I'm about to give you some bomb tips. Okay, so starting off with the eyebrows, I already did my base makeup. I've been using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. This is 210. So for eyebrows, I've loved this tool for years. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. So starting off, you want to brush all of your hair out on your eyebrow. Make sure there's no, little parts that you can't see. You need to be able to see the, sparse spots that you're gonna want to fill in. I like to go like this now too, to really, and you really want to use the spoolie part throughout the process of doing your brows so that you can blend it all out and there's no harsh lines. So I always go and define this bottom part of my brow. So I shade this in lightly, going both directions so that it doesn't catch on any hair and then not get any little other part. And then shade in little balding spots. So after I've really defined that bottom line there, I am going to want to go up here, and you see where my arch, I already put a little bit there, but see where my arch is? I'm just going to define that a little bit more by making very heavy strokes and then going in with my spoolie, brushing it out. And guys, for doing makeup, daylight is always the best light, okay? I don't care what kind of bathroom light you have. I don't care if you have an LED like light makeup stand. You need daylight. It will never be beat by any other light. So I do suggest that you even if you don't have your makeup station right in front of a window, that you get what you're working on, take a mirror and go to the window, because that will also be how you look as soon as you step outside your house into the daylight. That's how you're gonna look, and so you want to do your makeup in that light. And yeah, that is the full brow for me. I don't know where my brow gel is at the moment, but this is when I would put the brow gel in. And I am a very big fan of bushy looking brows, so that's why I kind of keep them like that. You want to keep the beginning of your brows as light as possible. You want that definitely to be the lightest area of your brows. A really good way to test your brows arches are to look down, see if they're even, and make sure they're not too harsh. So moving on from the brows now, I can take way too much time on these if I let myself. But next, I'm going to do the eyes. So I have a little color chart here to help me out with this. But okay, so if you have a pinker base, you have red tones, and you have blue eyes, you want to wear gold on your eyes. If you have green eyes, you want to wear lilacs on your eyes, purplies. If you have hazel eyes, grays go great with your eyes. And if you have a pink base and you have brown eyes, then grays and blacks will be awesome on you. And now if you have a neutral base, so if you have a neutral base and you have blue eyes, golds and browns look great together on you. A neutral base and green eyes eyes, then lilacs and reds will be really great on you. If you have a natural base and you have hazel eyes, then taupes and grays will look great on you. And if you have a natural base and you have brown eyes, that means all the colors will look great on you. Lucky you. If you have yellow base and blue eyes, then browns look great on your eyes. If you have a yellow base and you have green eyes, then warm purples look great on you. And hazel eyes, then taupes look great on you. A yellow base and brown eyes, creams and browns look great on you. So that was a mouthful, but I just wanted to guide you guys along, you know, if you're going on a date night or whatever. So I have a neutral base and I have blue eyes. So that means I should use golds and browns on my eyes. I'm going to be starting off by using my Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy. I think I'm going to be using this brown shade. When you're doing eyeshadow, you really need to make sure that you're looking downward at your mirror. So I have a mirror here. That way your eyelid, you know, your eyes are open so you're fully aware of what you're doing, but as well as your eyelid is down all the way, so it's a flat canvas to work on. It's a good tip to have seamless eyeshadow. And always tap the brush, always. And I'm just lightly swiping this side to side. Windshield wiper motions with a very light pressure. You don't want to feel like you're dragging your eyelid skin around. You want to use very light pressure. You do windshield wiper motions, and then at the end here with still very even lighter pressure, do little circular motions. And then I'm going to put this on the bottom lash line too, just to really let it complement my eye color. But just very lightly, we don't need a whole lot of attention to the bottom lash line. And now I'm going to be using the most beautiful white eyeshadow I've ever known. And this is from the Smoke Show palette from ColourPop. It's up here in Love. And I'm going to put that right there on the lid. This is really going to brighten up the eye. This is also from ColourPop. It's called Good as Gold. I'll be using this 24 karat color right over where I put the white. I also put that on the bottom inner corner. I like to put these on with my finger, like dab them on, just because I find that the glitter stays on better that way and it goes on better. Okay, so now I have the browns and golds on my eyes. So now comes the scary part, and that would be the part of eyeliner. I am using my Tarte Maneater. With eyeliner, the goal is to elongate your eyes. I make the wing first, and so when I do, I kind of just hold the pen up to my eye, the outer corner, and then I decide, you know, what angle I want to make the wing at, how much of a flick I want it to be. You just kind of make the line, and then you just connect it over. The trick is to do really light strokes too, so that's easy to manipulate it. Deep breaths. If your hands get shaky, you really just need to take a break and take like 5 deep breaths. I swear you'll come back stronger. Okay, so after doing my eyeliner for like 10 years, I just came to the conclusion that it deserves its own video. But next I will be doing the mascara. For mascara, For mascara, I've really been loving the Il Makiage Icon. And I always start my mascara by just combing each and every one from the root of the lash. And I'm not really worrying about the tips of the lashes because I will be adding fake lashes. I am going to put these falsies on. These are the Honey Lashes by ColourPop. Okay, and now I can take my hair down. And now these are the perfect lashes to really give your lashes the full feel without being like, whoa, like what's on her eyes, like visors shielding you from your date. But it's time to add some color to this face. So for bronzer, I use my Kat Von D contour brush and the Tarte Park Ave Princess bronzer. And with bronzer, you would really rather go higher up on the bone rather than further down, because if you do it too low, then your cheekbones will seem to be dragged down. So you want to go like this, and you want to do it right above that line. Get it snatched. And I'm using very light pressure here too. And then I pinch it like this, dab a little bit in, top it off, And then still pinching, going to go down my nose. Now for blush, I'll be taking this Back Talk palette with blush in it. I'm gonna be using both of these actually, both of these deeper ones. I really like to go deep with blush in the colder months. It fades over time, so. And for highlighter, I will be using, I don't want to hold it up because it's going to fall out because it's so old and broken. I'm using my Ofra Everglow highlighter. Okay, and now we just have the lips left. So for the lips, I've absolutely been loving this nude Minute Man. This is by ColourPop. What I'm going to do is start by just outlining my lips and overlining them just a little bit. And now you just kind of want to take your finger and smear it a little bit. And you always want to get a nude color for date night so that, you know, it really naturally blends in with your lips when only a little bit is on. Maybe, you know, you just have the outlines of it left on after you eat, and you don't want there to be a huge difference from it to your natural lip color. So for the lips down here, I would like to keep that bare. I don't know, I feel like it just looks so nice and natural. And since it's cold outside, you should probably put some chapstick on, you know, in the center of your lips. And there you have it. This is my perfect date night look. If you guys enjoyed this video or if you got anything useful out of it, give it a thumbs up. It would really help out me and my channel a lot. If this is your first video of mine you're seeing, then great. That makes me so happy that YouTube is showing me to new people. No, but I make videos every Monday and Thursday, and I would love if you were to subscribe. And a big reminder to check out Ana Luisa jewelry. Hit the link down below. I am going to be doing a giveaway with Ana Luisa, so if you want to enter that, then go follow me on Instagram at Hannah Rose Blair. All right, and with all that being said, I love you guys so much. Please stay hydrated, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.